Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Determine if Someone is Stalking You on Instagram. Let's dive right in. Tap on the Instagram app to launch it. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner of your profile to open the menu. Scroll down the menu options and select Account Type and Tools. Choose either business or creator based on your preference, and follow the prompts to switch. Once you've completed the steps, close the options by tapping outside the menu or on a back button and return to your profile. Tap the plus icon next to Add a New Story on your profile to create a new story. Choose a specific photo or video to post as your story. Add any text or stickers you'd like, then tap the next button. After posting, tap on the bottom left corner of your screen where it says Seen by to see who has viewed your story. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.